At Sarah Farming, there were ground mounts put in for a couple of the solutions. There was no shed, there was no roof to put the solar on. There were pumps at 3 locations, 2 for avocados, 1 for bananas. So the ground mounts were designed to meet the requirements to get them under 100,000 kilowatt hours, but also then on 2 of the sites to give them a feed-in tariff when they weren't irrigating. The solutions at Sarah Farming for the ground mounts, we're using DC optimised panels. Ground mount is all about the aluminium. That's not cheap, and the costs of shipping it around bringing it from the supplier to us. We minimise the amount of legs on the ground mount by getting a 340 watt panel in the space where typically you might only get a 270 to 300 watt panel. The electricity generated from these solutions as well means that you need a smaller ground mount. All of this is an advantage to the customer. I monitor them after the installation. When you look on return on investment, which is really important to the customer, it may only be 4 to 6 months longer to pay off, and they have so many benefits from a better warranty, higher output, less ground mount. It was a win-win. The product is a fantastic solution for ground mounts.